I'm going to show you a new tool that we have up on the website. It is a bending plier, and it is for lighter weight items. It is not for silverware handles, for example. It is just, there's just not enough power behind it to do the really thick items like silverware handles. But it's great for small projects. For example, this little sterling silver ring that I made, I patterned in the rolling mill, was made with this plier. Another project, if you wanted to make fork tine chains, this is a great little tool for doing that. So I'll show you how easy it is to make one of the links for a fork tine chain, or for a ring, or any other little bends that you wanted to do. So you put the material in. You want to make sure it's level. You don't want it cockeyed, or it won't come up even. The tips won't come up even. So you put it in there and you press. And very much like the Arbor Press bending tool, you're feeding in with one hand and pressing with the other. Hopefully you'll be able to see this, and you're just going to keep feeding it around. And you're just going to find some materials bend better than others. Some fork tines bend better than others. So I'm going to continue to feed it in until it's all the way around. And you can see how simple that was. Makes it really nice and round. And I would suggest making all of your links at one time and then start attaching them. So I've already attached all of these, obviously. I'm going to attach this one. Then I'm going to put this down on my anvil, and with my rubber mallet, I'm going to tap that link closed. So there's a couple of projects that you can do with the new bending pliers. This is a little bit older model. There's a newer model that has white handles, and that is the one that is for sale on our website. And I'll put the link below the video. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.